All right, everyone, welcome. Thank you very much for joining me. My name is Mike, and if you are new to this channel, this is IPO Market Watch. It covers all the IPOs, but I also covers every single stock that is already trading on the market. So if you're looking for, let's say, an IPO review on PayPal, I'm sorry, not an IPO review. If you're looking at a review and analysis of PayPal, if you're looking at a review and analysis of many other stocks on the market, you'll find them here. Every day, there's at least one video every single day, whether it covers a new IPO, which there's plenty, tons of tiny micro IPOs this year, none, really awesome, great IPOs. We did have Atlas Energy today. Didn't really do so well, but that's okay. Okay, that's a different thing. It's a company that if someone was to look at it and like it, that would be for long term. AIXI went public today. I did an IPO review on that, and I did say that it was gonna pop on day one. It did. All right, it did. You could have pre-ordered it for $6.80, I think it was, right? And it opened up on a very tiny pop, and then at some point it went down, and then it went up slowly, and it hit $8 last time I checked it. All right, so $8 for sure. It did that. $8 for sure today. It did that. In fact, one of the users on my Discord had said way before it would hit $8, I'm gonna set a limit. They were gonna set in order to sell at $8, and it, I obviously hit $8 and it was great. So there was a pop. It wasn't, you could have made money. So let's look at this IPO, which is going public tomorrow, and I'll tell you at the end of the video what I think and whether it can pop or not. It is still, as I can see right now, yes, it is still available for pre-order. It is going tomorrow, $4 to $5. 2.5 million shares. Let's get started.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.
So Hongli Group aims for a $25 million US IPO. By the way, Hongli Group, I have done an IPO review of this company last year. So this is now the second time I'm reviewing the company because supposedly it was going to go public last year. Hongli Group has filed for 25, like I said, $1 million IPO. The company makes a variety of steel products for manufacturers in China and overseas. We already have another Chinese company that's involved in steel products. Huadei, it's publicly traded already. So China-based Hongli was founded to design, customize, and manufacture cold rolled steel for various machinery. The company is headed by CEO Mr. Ji Liu, who has been with the company since October of 2009. He was previously business degree graduate of the Nanjing Artillery Academy. The company offers mining, excavation, construction, agriculture, transportation, and he has booked more than $980,000 in investments so far. The total revenue of the company in 2019 was $9.2 million. 2020 goes up to $11.1 million, and then it goes up again just for the first 6 months, 2021, to $10.2 million. So if we're looking at it on the revenue part only, it is very well. Gross profit loss went from $3.9 million in 2019 to $4.4 million in 2020. to $3.4 million just for the first 6 months of 2021, and their gross margin is on an average of about 38%, let's say. Operating profit loss went from $2.8 million to $2.4 million in 2020 to $1.9 million in 2021 first 6 months. Net income loss went from $2 million to $2.4 to $1.4 million, and the cash flow from operations went from $1.7 to $2.7 million in 2020 and $563,000 in 2021. So the company has $436,000 in cash, $8 million in total liabilities. Their free cash flow is $630,000 positive. The market cap is at $115 million. The enterprise value is at $92 million. Price to sales is at 6.9. EV to revenue 5.56. EV to EBITDA 28.1. Earnings per share is positive 13 cents. Operating margin 19.7%. Net margin 18.3%. Their float to outstanding shares ratio is 21.7%. The revenue growth rate is at 111% positive. And the valuation score is neutral for me. EF Hutton is the underwriter, and I will not pre-order this. So I will not take part in this, and I don't really expect much out of this. Could be wrong, but that's just my opinion, of course. Let me know in the comment section below if you have pre-ordered this, or you are willing, or you want to pre-order this, and so on. Or what are you going to do with this? Personally speaking, for me, like I said, I'm not. Thank you very much for watching this video. I wish you all the best, and take care.